Hello everyone, welcome to Ashramik Vidyalay. Students, in this video we will do the revision of our standard 6 subject English. Students, we know that in our blueprint we see the 5 main question A, B, C, D and E. Now we will do the revision on the base of our blueprint. So let's start. First of all, we start from our section A. Students, we see the 3 main question in our section A. Complete the words, meaning of given words, and write again each word of opposite meaning. So students, we take all question of our paper, all question of our blueprint from our book and notebook. So in the complete the word, we do the all complete the words of chapter number 6 to 10. So let's start. We see the complete the word in our Who Am I chapter. Here we see complete the words: comfortably, afternoon, Nasir, New Zealand and Egypt. Here we see CO blank F blank R blank A blank LY, means it is incomplete word. So we put the proper letters in the given blank and make a complete words. Right? This from our chapter number 6. Now we see the complete the word in our Safer Treasure. It is the chapter number 3 of our supplementary. Next we see the complete the word in our poem The Wonderful Word. Wonderful, survival, handsomely, swing and surprise. Next we see the complete the word in our Fair Play. Look it here: Juman, punch, allowance, penny and panchayat. Next, complete the word from our poem Vocation. Here we see the 5 complete the word: hawker, digging, nobody, watchman and lantern. These are the 5 complete the word of our poem Vocation. Next, complete the word from our Desert Animal chapter number 9. Deserts, rattler, chipmunks, dromedary and bactrian. These are the 5 main complete the word of our chapter number 9. Now we see the complete the word in our chapter number 10, the banyan tree. Cobra, mongoose, maina, congratulation and grandfather. Okay. These are our complete the words. Means we take a complete the words. I will ask you complete the word from our supplementary book and our honeysuckle book. Next, meaning of the given words. Second question is meaning of the given words. So first we see this question, meaning of a given word in our poem Wonderful Word. Here we see the meaning of given word. Survival means to wipe the wrinkle. Wonderful mean extremely good. Handsomely meaning is elegant style. Groom means natured and marvelous meaning amazing. These 5 are the our meaning of given words. Now we take our meaning of given word in our chapter number 10, the banyan tree. Here also we see the meaning of given words. Spy means watch secretly, यानी छुपके से किसी चीज को देखना, उसका मीनिंग होता है स्पाई. Diving means going deep into. Figs mean fruits. Gliding means moving smoothly. And emerge means came out. So these 5 are main meaning of given words of our chapter number 10, the banyan tree. Next is write against each word of opposite meaning. So students, that question on the page number 95, look it here. Here we see the some word old, wet, open, blunt and forget. So our question is write against each word of opposite meaning, यानी जो word है उसका opposite word हमें लिखना है. Here we see the old. So old is opposite meaning of old is new. Old, new. Wet, dry. Wet means जो गीला होता है वो, और dry means सूखा. Open, close. Blunt, sharp. Forget, remember. So these are the 5 words and opposite meaning of their opposite meaning. So this is our section A. Section B. Write true or false against each of the following statements. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph below with the word from the box. Talk to your partner and say whether the following statements are true or false. So these 3 main questions are taken from our chapter 6 to 10. So one by one we learn about this all. First is write true or false, that is on the page number 73. So students, open page number 73. Here we see these questions. Write true or false against each of the following statement. Peter is an only child. So that sentence is the wrong. So we write here false. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. So that is the false sentence. Nasir lives in the city. False. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. True. Okay. So these 4 are the main questions. Next, fill in the blank in the paragraph below and with word from the box. So students, this question on the page number 106. Look at here our questions. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph below with the word from the box. Here we see the many word: huge, big, foolish, interesting, tiny, unlucky and last. And here we see the full paragraph. So one by one we learn all the answer. There was a big Eid fair in our village. So students means we write a big word, choose from our box. Here we see the big word. So here come the big Eid fair in our village. We could buy anything from a tiny toy to a huge camel. I went to the fair on its last day with the uncle and bhaiya. We went to the lucky shop. It was very interesting. I tried my luck but did not win any prize. Later, uncle told me that I was more foolish than unlucky. So these are the paragraph on the base of these words. Okay. Next our question is, talk to your partner and say whether the following statements are true or false. These questions are on page number 117. Look at here in our desert animals, our chapter desert animals. Talk to your partner and say whether the following statements are true or false. No animal can survive without water. That is true sentence. So we write here true. Desert are endless sand dunes. False. Most snakes are harmless. True. Snakes cannot hear, but they can feel vibration through the ground. So it is true sentence. Camels store water in their hump. False. कैमल्स के बारे में एक बात है कि कैमल्स ओनली स्टोर द वाटर इन देयर हम्प, बट इट इज़ नॉट द ट्रू, इट इज़ false, because in a hump camel only contain only keep its fat in that hump. They are full of fat, right? So these are the true or false sentence. Also this is our section B. Section C. Read the words or phrases in the box. Fill in the blank in the following passage with the above words or phrases. So this question also on page number 117. Look at here in our chapter number 9. Fill in the blank in the following passage with the above words and phrases. Here we see the many words: harsh condition, harmless, survive, intruder, threaten, predators, prey, and continual. So these are the words. Now we using this word one by one and complete the paragraph. All animals in a forest and a desert struggle to survive in harsh. First we take a survive word and second we take a harsh word. This comes from our box. Though most of the animals are harmless. Next word is harmless. Some are dangerous when threatened if an intruder is noticed. They attack or bite to save themselves. They struggle continually for food and water. Some animals are called predators because they prey on other animals. Okay, so this is our questions from section C. Next is complete the following sentences. So that question is available on the page number 31 and our chapter number 10, the banyan tree. Complete the following sentences means here is incomplete sentence, so we write some words and some sentence and making a complete sentence in that sense. First, the old banyan tree did not belong to grandfather but only to the boy because the old man was not strong enough to climb it. Next, the small grey squirrel became friendly when it found that the boy carried no catapult or air gun in his hand. Third, when the boy started to bring him pieces of cake and biscuit, the squirrel was bold enough to take pieces of food from his hand. Fourth, in the spring, the banyan tree was full of small red figs and birds of all kinds would come there. Fifth, the banyan tree served the boy as a reading room where he had made a rough platform to sit and read books. And the last is, the young boy spent his afternoon in the tree, leaning against the tree, reading story books. So here are incomplete sentence. Then we write the some things on the taken from our chapters and complete the sentence in that sense. Next is complete this sentences using cannot and have to or has to. So students, that question are available on page number 119. look at here. Here we see cannot and have to or has to for make a question, make a sentence complete. You reach the island by land or air. You blank go by boat. So students, here we write cannot. You cannot reach the island by land or air. You have to go by boat. Next. Okay, one more thing I want to say you. कैन जो है उसका यूज़ कब होता है? जब हम कुछ कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में बात होती है, और जब कुछ नहीं कर सकते तब हम कहेंगे कैन नॉट. ओके, सो यू कैन नॉट यानी आप नहीं पहुंच सकते हो आइलैंड बाय लैंड और एयर. यू हैव टू गो बाय बोट. आपको किससे जाना पड़ेगा? तो बोट से जाना पड़ेगा. वी सी बैक्टीरिया विथ आवर आई. We blank look at them through a microscope. अब यहाँ पे बैक्टीरिया की बात हुई है. सो वी कैन नॉट सी बैक्टीरिया विथ आवर आई. हम हमारी नेचुरल जो आई होती है नॉर्मली उससे बैक्टीरिया नहीं देख सकते, बट वी हैव टू लुक एट दैम थ्रू अ माइक्रोस्कोप. लेकिन हम उसे माइक्रोस्कोप से देख सकते हैं. सो वी यूजिंग अ हैव टू एंड हियर कैन नॉट. नेक्स्ट, ही have a new bicycle now. He blank wait till next year. So he cannot have a new bicycle now. उसके पास अभी न्यू बाइसिकल नहीं है. He has to wait till next year. वो next year से यानी it means talking about the past tense. So we using a has. Why we using a has? Because here is a he, she, it. He has, she has, it has. So he has to wait till next year. Old people often hear very well. They blank use a hearing aid. So old people cannot hear very well. They have to use a hearing aid. They have. Next, road users blank do what they wish. They blank follow the traffic rules. So road user cannot do what they wish. They have follow the traffic rules. Here not we using a has because we talking about the they more than two persons. So we using a have to. Okay. Next, she cannot accept this decision. She has to question it. Students, I told to you when we use he, she or it, we using a has with that words, and when we talking about the more than two person means they, so we using a have. Okay, so she has to question it. You cannot believe everything you hear. You have to use your own judgment. Okay, so these are our cannot and have to or has to sentences. So this is our section C. Section D. Students, here we see two main questions. Answer the following questions and match job on the left with its description on the right. So students, answer the following questions. You have to learn from chapter number 6 to 10 all questions answer. I will ask you any answer. I will ask you any question from chapter number 6 to 10 and our supplementary reader book. Okay, so prepare the all question answer which available in your both book and notebook. Second is match the job on the left with its description on the right. But before going to on this questions, we will learn some question answer of our chapter numbers 9 and 10. Okay, chapter number vocation, our poem. Here is a no. Okay, here is a one question. What wishes does the child in the poem make? So the child has an innocent mind. He wishes if he could lead his life his own way and enjoy the freedom just as a hawker, a gardener or a watchman. Next question answer also available in our desert animals. So learn that question also. Question answer here is a what if for our poem what if, and here we see the question answer. Who is the speaker in the poem? So the speaker in the poem is the poet सेल सिल्वरस्टेन. पोएट कौन है? तो सेल सिल्वरस्टेन. Why do you think she or he has these worries? Can you think of ways to get rid of such worries? So such a worries, right. Such a worries arise because of the fears in our mind. Some of such fears arise when we have seen something similarly happening around us. Such a fear and worries can be avoided by a sheer willpower and optimistic mindset. Next question answer in also available in our chapter number 10. Answer the following questions. What did cobra and mongoose do to show their readiness for the fight? So answer is the cobra produced a hissing sound to challenge the mongoose to a fight. जब कोबरा mongoose को देखता है तो वो अपना एक अलग हिसिंग साउंड निकालता है और वो साउंड क्या कहता है? तो चैलेंज करता है mongoose को कि फाइट करो. It raised 3 feet of its body off the ground. वो 3 फीट से 6 फीट तक अपनी बॉडी को ऊंची कर लेता है कोबरा. It spread its broad hood, और उसका जो हुड होता है, उसका सर होता है, उसको ऐसे कोबरा ऐसे बना देता है. The mongoose bushed its tail. The long hair on its back also stood up. और mongoose जो क्या है वो अपने जो hair होता है उसको खड़े कर देता है. उसकी पूंछ जो होती है उसको वो ऐसे टेल को खड़ी कर देता है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. हु आर द अदर 2 स्पेक्टेटर्स? 2 और स्पेक्टेटर्स कौन थे? व्हाट डिड दे डू? वो क्या किया था उन्होंने? डिड दे वॉच और डिड दे ज्वाइन इन द फाइट? क्या उन्होंने वॉच किया था या फाइट को ज्वाइन भी की थी? इन एडिशन टू द नरेटर, the 2 other onlookers of the fight were a मैना and a wild crow. तो 2 कौन थे? तो मैना थी और वाइल्ड क्रो था. First of all, they sat on the cactus plant to watch the outcome of the fight. सबसे पहले वो कैक्टस प्लांट पे बैठे थे फाइट को देखने के लिए. In the end, they took part in the game. Both tried to pick up the cobra for their meal. वो दोनों ने क्या किया था कि पहले तो गेम अच्छे से देखी थी जो फाइट हो रही थी कोबरा और mongoose के बीच में, और फिर बाद में दे वॉन्ट टू ईट द कोबरा स्नैक. उनको उसको खाना बनाना था, इसलिए वो 1 by 1 जाके उसको ऐसे अपनी बिक से हट कर रहे थे कि इसको हम खा जाए. द क्रो गॉट बीटन एंड डाई. उसमें क्या होता है, जो क्रो होता है वो मार दिया जाता है और फिर वो बीटन यानी उसको काट लेता है. कौन? तो कोबरा, और वो मर जाता है. द mongoose ड्रैग द स्नैक अवे इन टू द बुशेस. और mongoose जो है वो स्नैक को बुशेस के अंदर खींच के ले जाता है. एंड द मैना ऑल्सो फ्लो अवे. और मैना जो है वो वहाँ से उड़ जाती है. वॉट हैपन टू द क्रो इन द एंड? एंड में क्रो का क्या होता है? इन द एंड द क्रो गॉट बीटन बाय द कोबरा एंड इट फेल डेड. जो क्रो है अंत में, इन द एंड लास्ट में जो क्रो है वो कोबरा के द्वारा मार दिया जाता है और वो मर जाता है, बीटन हो जाता है. उसको काट लेता है कोबरा और जो क्रो है वो मर जाता है. ओके, so in the end the cobra got beaten by the in the end the crow got beaten by the cobra and it fell dead. Next, what did the मैना do finally? So the मैना flew to the ground, looked into the bushes, gave a shrill cry and flew away. लास्ट में मैना ने क्या किया? तो मैना जो है वो जो बुशेस के अंदर स्नेक को जो मोंगूज ले गया था वहाँ पर देखने के लिए जाती है और फिर उसको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन करती है, कैसे क्राई करती है, जोर जोर से उसका आवाज़ निकालती है और क्राई करती वहाँ से उड़ जाती है कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन करके। द वर्ड राउंड यूजुअली मीन्स अ काइंड ऑफ शेप। व्हाट इट्स मीनिंग इन द स्टोरी। नॉर्मली राउंड का मीनिंग होता है कि शेप, राउंड इन द शेप, शेप के लिए राउंड यूज़ करता है, लेकिन स्टोरी में राउंड का मीनिंग क्या है? सो द वर्ड राउंड इन द स्टोरी मीन्स द सेकेंड कोर्स ऑफ अ फाइट, मीन्स सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ अ फाइट। राउंड, नॉर्मली हम राउंड उसे कहते हैं जो गोल चीज़ होती है उसे हम राउंड कहते हैं, लेकिन स्टोरी, ये जो स्टोरी है इसमें राउंड का मीनिंग है द एक्चुअली मीनिंग ऑफ द राउंड इन द स्टोरी इज सेकेंड कोर्स ऑफ अ फाइट, फाइट का दूसरा पार्ट। ओके, सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ आवर चैप्टर नंबर 10. Second is match the job on the left with its description on the right, that is available on page number 76 in your book. So fastly open the page number 76. Here we see that questions match job on the left with description on the right. Okay, navigator, what is the work of navigator? So finds and monitors the route to get to a place or a direction of a travel, that is the work of a navigator. So we write the C here. Architect, what is the work of architect? So architect work is plans the design of a building, town or city. We see here on the page number 77. So we write here E. Politician, what is the work of politician? So work in politics usually by standing for elections. Next is engineer. So what is the work of engineer? So design and builds things like roads, bridges or engines. Computer programmer. So what is the work of computer programmer? So computer work programmer is design the system by which a computer runs or gives information. So it is the work of computer programmer. Athlete, so work in sports or activities such as running, jumping, etc. Disc jockey, disc jockey means our DJ, which our caller DJ, so that is the disc jockey. And the disc jockey work is control and puts together a program of a music. Next, composer, so make up notes to create music, that is composer. Counselor, so counsel is we see here advises people what to do about jobs, personal problems, etc. This is the work of counselor. And journalist, last is a journalist. So what is the work of journalist? So reports on recent news for newspaper, radio or a TV, that called the journalist. Okay, so this is our main question of our section D. Now next we see the section E, match the sentences under I with those under, under 1 with those under 2. Okay, so students, that question on the page number 91. So open fastly page number 91. Here we see match the sentence under first with those under second. Okay, Juman and Algu were the best friend. So this sentence is matched with number 3. In the absence of one, the other took care of his family. Juman's aunt transferred her property to him. Second question, match with 4. The condition was that he would be responsible for her welfare. The aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat because she wanted justice. Algu was unwilling to support the aunt because the bond of friendship between him and Jammu was very strong. Juman was very happy to hear Algu's name as a head punch. Why? Because he believed that his friend would never go against him. So that is the related sentences, and we match them with the proper line. Next is our question is complete the poem. So students, complete the poem is our main question, and here we see what if poem. What if I get beat up? मुझे कोई मारे तो? What if there is poison in my cup? अगर मेरी चाय में poison हो तो? What if तो क्या होगा? What if तो क्या होगा? I start to cry. Here we see the blank. Students, मेन चीज़ ये है कि यहाँ पे हम blank देख रहे हैं. So means complete the poem. पोएम जो है उसको कंप्लीट करनी है. जहाँ पे ब्लैंक है वहाँ पे आपको प्रॉपर वर्ड लिखना है. What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk that test? What if green hair grow on my chest? What if nobody likes me? And what if a bolt of lightning strikes me? So this is our complete the poem. Now here our this blueprint and our revision was complete. I hope you understand and learn properly and watch properly this revision video, because it is so helpful to getting a nice mark in the exam. So my suggestion is learn properly this revision video and do the best practice for the best result. All the best all of you, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.